See this U-Haul just walking, and I seen this mud. Wow. The door already open. We finna box. You know what that means? You know. I put it all the way down. Would I be able to get out? Like, would I be able to get out? Bro, y'all see my face, right? Sweating, like, already. We didn't even start boxing yet. But I couldn't close that mud off. Like, well, I can, but I don't want to close that mud all the way, cause what if I can't get back out this mud? On me. But yeah, but we finna go on and get started before I have a stroke in the mud. And look, I was supposed to, I was really going to Home Depot to go box Home Depot and see, you know what I'm saying? But, like, I seen this mud, cause I was walking to the hood store, and I seen this mud, like, the whole thing was open. Like I showed y'all, it was open, like I'm walking. It's open, I'm like, that might be a good box. Feel me? I'm like, but it's just random too, like, I'm random in here, so. Now, let me see what this talking about. What is that noise? It's gonna get started, man. Gonna get started. Let's see what these noises is like. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I can hear it. I'm finna try to close this mud all the way. Yeah. Oh, it's too dark. Y'all can't even see me. Hold on. Here we go. I'm so sweaty. It don't make no sense. But yeah, this was really supposed to be a Home Depot box. But yeah, I told y'all it was open. The opportunity, I took it. Feel me? It's so hot. I'm glad I got water though. I don't know if that's gonna help. I'm sweating so hard. I'm finna stop this box already. It just started. I don't understand though, like, it's so hot in here. Look, y'all can tell. Look like I done took a bath in Vaseline on me. I heard sirens in the distance. Look at my arms. Boy, this is crazy. Crazy. Jack. This mud might end early, man. Nah, I'm trying to get 10 minutes though. At least 10 minutes minimum. Cause my videos, like the HOTBOXING videos, they just be a minute off. They be at 9 minutes and I'm like, damn. I don't like that though, like, I need 10 minimum. I feel like 9 too short, like. Every time I look in the camera, like, I'm just glistening. Wood half, like, is it wood like halfway? This so crazy though, cause this a random hot box, a random U-Haul on the lot. Like, I was just walking to the store cause I was getting I had to get a single. You know what I'm saying? I got a filter tip. And I just seen this mud. I'm like, man, might not even go to the Home Depot. Bro, this mud open. It'll be fine. And it's close. It was already right here. So like, you know what I'm saying? Am I nervous? I'm chilling. Boy, I'm loaded. I ain't gonna lie. Loaded to the big. Y'all see that mud look crazy. Like, I just ain't trying to close it. I'm shaking, but hold on. I'm shaking like that. That's how you know I'm loaded. I don't know, like, I need to see, like, what's the reason behind it? Like, how that even happened from the Zah. You know what I'm saying? Do some hood research department shit like that. This and be new, bro. Do y'all think the smoke, like, flowing through the crack and it's visible? I don't know. Probably not. I'm gonna smoke that way, but like, I'm boxing the whole, you know, so it's most likely flowing through there. Low-key finna get out this bit though. It's hot in the bed. I'm sweating bad, bro. Like, look. Everybody part shiny in this. Yeah, I know that Texas heat don't be playing, but it's too hot in here. Like, you gotta hop out. W box though. I ain't gonna lie, W box. We finna go in and see what it's looking like. I just boxed the fuck out that bit. Bro, sweating hard in the bit. Hey, nobody ain't even come to that bit. Like, nobody even, you know what I'm saying? But hey, W box, feel me? It was hot in the bit in there though, you know what I'm saying? But W box, I f with it. Yeah. How long I gotta go back, get my thumbnail? We gotta get the thumbnail a bit. I had lost the wood. This mud. Right here. On the ground. I'm like, what I do with the wood? Trying to get my thumbnail, man. Trying to get my thumbnail. I don't even know if y'all can see me. Yeah, trying to get my thumbnail. Hey, tweaking. Alright, we gone, you know what I'm saying? W box. Other than it being high in the bed, you know what I'm saying? But we got high in the bed, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe if you with the video. I know you fuck with the video, so go on there, you know what I'm saying? It's free. It's free, like, just do it. Feel me? And comment, let me know where y'all want to see me box next. I ain't gonna lie, I got, look, y'all see in the back. I got Home Depot next. But let me know what else y'all want to see. And I'm going to bring it to you for sure. You know what I'm saying? We always dropping bangers every week. Tune in. Bro.